where we solve all the mathematics questions and chemistry based on assignment. And if it's the first time of watching us, just kindly subscribe and like our channel, and also drop a comment. Now let's go quickly to our number 4B question. Our number 4B question is 9.75. We have number 4B. Number 4B 9.75 base what? 10 to base 2. We should convert. That is the question. Now let's see what we can do. For we to convert this, for we to convert 9.75 base 10 to base 2, what am I going to do? First and foremost, I'm going to convert this to fraction. And the fraction of this is what? 975 over 100 equals to, now I've converted to fraction. What next? Now I will divide them to lowest term. So I will say that 5 going to 975, 5 divide 975 is what? 195. And then I will now say 5 going to 100, how many times is what? 20 times. So 5 going to 975 is 105. 5 going to 100 is what? 20. The next thing to do now is that I will also check, is there any other thing again I can divide? I will also check, is there another thing I can divide? 5 can divide again. 5 can divide 195 and 20. So 5 going to 195 is what? 39 times. 5 can also go into 27 times, 4 times. So I think this is the lowest term, because 195, 5 can go to 195 to go 39. 5 going to 20 is what? 4. So I think nothing can go again. Nothing can go again. What will I do now? I want to convert to what? Or using conversion method. So I have 39 here and my base 2. So 2 going to 39 is what? 19 times remainder 1. 2 going to 19, how many times? 9 times remainder 1. And 2 going to 9, how many times? 4 times remainder 1. 2 going to 4, how many times? 2 times remainder 0. 2 go into 2, how many times? 1 times remainder 0. 2 going to 1 is what? 0 remainder what? 1. So I'll pick it from here, which is what? 1 0 0 1 1 1. So this is the conversion of what? 39. I will also do the same thing to what? To this number, which is 4. So I also do to 4 also. 4. 2 going to 4, how many times is what? 2 times remainder what? 0. 2 going to 2 many times? 1 remainder 0. 2 going to 1 many times? 0 remainder 1. This is what we have taught in the class. What I'm doing is what? I'm not doing the assignment for you. So I'll pick what for me? 100, that's 100 in base 2. What next? Therefore 39 over 4 equals to what? My 39 is what? 100111. So 100111 base 2 over my 4 is what? 100 is 100 base 2. So I have it a 100 base 2. So 100111 divided by 100 is what? 1001 decimal 11 base 2 as a final answer. So the conversion of 9.75 in base 10 to base 2 is what? 1001 decimal 11 base 2. A final answer. It's very simple. That is all. So let's go to number 6. Now let's go to number 5 question. Number 5 question says what? Convert 1011 decimal 011 base 2 to what? To fraction. What will I do? I enter my question. 1011 base 011 base 2 to fraction. All I do, I'll do what? I'll name it. Here's my 0 1 2 3. Okay, I should use my red pen. I should use my red marker here because it's better for us. I'll do what? Name it 0 1 2 3. Here's what? -1 -2 -3. So I've what? I've named it. What next now? I expand it. So I say 1 times base 2 is what? 3. plus 0 times 2 is by what? 2 plus 1 times 2 is by what? 1 plus 1 times base 2 is by what? 0. Now this is my decimal, right? So automatically become what? My decimal. Everybody put this in decimal. That is multiplication sign now. Which means what? 0 times 2 is by what? Minus 1 plus 1 times 2 is by what? Minus 2 plus 1 times 2 is by what? Minus 3. I believe you can see it, right? Now what next? Now I expand it again. So I say 1 times 2 is by 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 is what? 8. So 8 times 1 is what? 8 plus 2 is by 2 is what? 4. 4 times 0 is what? 0 plus 2 is by 1 is what? Is 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus 2 goes by 0 is what? Is 1. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. Decimal. 0 times 1 over 2 is by 1. I believe you know what I'm doing. This is what I'm just applying what law of physics is here, whereby you have negative sign, so it's fraction plus 1 times 1 over 2 goes by what? 2 plus 1 times 1 over 2 is by what? 3. So 8 plus 0 is what? 8 plus 2 is what? 10, and plus 1 is what? 11. Decimal. Just let me put this one for now. So 0 times 1 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is what? Is 0. So here's my 0 is nothing. What happened here? 1 times 1 is what? 1 over what? 1 over 4 plus 1 times 1 is what? 1 over 2 is power 3 is what? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. That is 8. Mean that 11. The LCM of 4 and 8 is what? Is 8. 4 divided 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 8 divided 8 is what? 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. Therefore, my final answer is what? 11 whole number 3 over 8 is my final answer for number 5. Okay, we go to number 6a now. When number 6a, let's convert 3 whole number 7 over 8 base 10 to decimal. Mean that we are going to apply, we have two methods of solving this thing, but I'm going to give you the easiest way of doing it. So we have 3 whole number 7 over 8. We should convert in what? In base 10 to what? To decimal. So what I do now? I should apply my normal conversion method. That is 3. 2 going 3 is what? 1. Remember what? 1. 2 divided 1 is what? 0. Remember 1. This is our normal like, which is what? 11. So 3 base 10 is what? 11. I do something also to 7. 7. So 2 going to 7 is what? Is 3 times remainder what? 1. 2 going to 3 is what? 1 remainder what? 1. 2 going to 1 is what? 0 remainder 1. Mean that 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 times 2 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. So we have what? 7 base 10 is what? 1, 1, 1. I'll do the same to 8. So 2 going to is what? 4. Remainder nothing. 2 going to 4 is what? 2. Remainder nothing. 2 going to 2 is what? 1. Remainder nothing. 2 going to 1 is what? It's not possible now, right? 0. Remainder. Drop down this 1 again. That's what I did there. I drop down this 1 again here. Therefore, my 8 is what? 8 base 10 is what? 1, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, I would say that 7 over 8 means 7 over 8 means what? 1, 1, 1 over 11. So we are sorry, yeah, this is like the mistake here. Here now is 8, right? 8, so is what? 1000. So for that is what? 1000. So we see that 111 over 1000. We see that 111 over 1000 is what? Is 0 decimal 111. So you see, so being that our 11 divided by 1000 is what? 0 decimal 111. Now we have here 3, Abby. So we have here 3, right? So we see that this 3 whole number 7 over 8 simply means this 3 is what? 11. Which is this one now? plus this fraction, we have it as what? 0.111. So 0.111. Therefore, our answer is what? 11.111 as our final answer in base 2. That is what? Bicimal. Okay, we go to the next question, which is what? Number 7. We go to the next question, which is number 7. Okay, we go to number 6b, and this is our question. Convert 57/64 base 10 to what? Bicimal. So let's go there now. We just have to draw our binary division pattern, then put our what? 57. So 2 go to 57 is what? 28 remainder 1. 2 go into 20 is what? 14 remainder nothing. 2 go into 14 is what? 7 remainder nothing. 2 go to 7 is what? 3 remainder 1. 2 go into 3 is what? 1 remainder 1. 2 going to 1 is not possible now, right? 0 remainder. Just put this 1. We have gotten our binary number here as what? 111001. Now we apply this to the denominator, which is what? 64. So 2 go into 64 is what? 32 remainder what? Nothing. 2 go into 32 is what? 16 remainder nothing. 2 going to 16 is what? Is 8 remainder what? Nothing. 2 going to is what? 2 going to 8 is what? Is 4 remainder nothing. 2 going to 4 is what? 2 remainder nothing. 2 go into 2 is what? 1 remainder nothing. 2 going to 1 is not possible, right? Right, what? 0. Bring that what? Our 1. I believe all these things is what they have taught in class. I'm just trying to what? Solve these exercises here. But I believe you can understand it also better also. So we have what? 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Am I correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So good. Therefore, my conversion is what? 57/64 is what? My 57 is what? In binary is what? 111111001 over my 64 is what? 10000. How many zeros we have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I can say that my 1111001 divided by 1000000 is what? If you use a calculator and divide it, all you get is 0.1110001 base 2 as a final answer. Number 7 question here. We go to number 7 question here. Number 7 question says divide what? 10001 over what? By 1 base 2. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply in binary number. Okay, don't forget that it's in binary number. So if you just go and divide that, you are free it away. So just follow this principle. What happened now? Put my 11 here, which denominator, my numerator 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now I have a question here. What next now? 11 cannot divide 1 or 10, so I pick 11. So I pick 100. So 11 going to 100 is what? Is 1 times. So 1 times 11 is what? Is 11 in base 2. Don't forget that. Okay, minus 0 cannot minus 1. All I do, I will bring 1 from here and add it here, which is 2, because it's in base 2. Bring 1 from here, add it here. Here become what? 2. Here become 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. And here is 1. 1 minus 1 is what? Is nothing. So no, why is 0? What next? I don't know my 0. That is 10. 11 by 10 is, it can't go right, so I put it here. So I drop it down, this one again down. Let's go. 11 divide 100 is what? 1 times. 1 times 100 is what? 1 times 11 is what? 11 minus. So bring 1 for me, add there, that is 2. Bring 1 for me, add there, is 2, here is 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. I believe that what I'm doing here is this is in base 2. What I did is that I bring 1 from here, and anywhere I bring from here is base 2. So this base 2 is added there. Now here is 2, here is 0. I will not bring 1 from here again. Here will now remain 1, and here that one I bring from here and add there, so it's 2, is in base 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here is 0 already, so leave it. What next now? Don't let this one fall. Drop it down. Drop it down. So 11. 11 divided 11 is what? Is 1. 1 times 11 is what? 11. Being that 11 minus 11 is what? 0, 0. Therefore, my answer is what? 1, 0, 1, 1. So I'll pick this as my answer. This is my answer. It is in base what? In base 2. Okay, now we go to the next question, which is number 8. We go to the last question, which is number 8. So we should do what? Divide or convert 34 base 5 to binary. 34 base 5 in binary. All I do for me to come from minor base to base 10, I will do what? Expand it. So 3 times 5 is to power what? 0. Do what? Name it. You name it. Here is 0. Here is 1. So we see that plus 4 times 5 is power what? Sorry. Yes, 3 times 5 is power what? 1 plus what? 4 times 5 is power what? 0. So what happens next? 5 is 1. So 5 times 3 is what? 15. Plus 5 is power 0 is what? Is 1. 1 times 4 is what? 4. Which is what? 19. So this is 19. So what happens next? I'll do what? I convert it, okay? My 19 in base what? In base 2. 2 go into 19. How many times? Is 9 times remainder 1. 2 go into 9. How many times? 4 times remainder 1. 2 go into 4 many times? 1 times remainder nothing. So 2 times remainder nothing. 2 go into 2 many times? 1 remainder what? Nothing. 2 go into 1 is not possible. What I do? Right? It's not possible. That is a remainder. Now this 1 now, I will bring it down based on what? Binary rule. So I'll do what? I'll pick from the down to the top. Which is what? 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 2. And my final answer. So this is the final answer. Okay. So please, if this is your first time of watching our video, can you do what? Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be dropping more answers to exercises on complete textbook, new general, short way. Just follow us, okay? And comment. Thank you very much. See you on next video.